Did you know that Sophia the Robot is based on the Hollywood star and Nicki Minaj's fashion icon, Audrey Hepburn? Nadine, a Japanese humanoid, was also developed with features of Professor Nadia Thalmann at the University of Geneva. Today's video will highlight the 7 most advanced AI robots, from industrial working robots to humanoids. Let us get started. 7. Junko Chihira. Junko Chihira is another invention of HIROSHI ISHIGURO, the director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University. ISHIGURO developed the robot for the Toshiba company. This gynoid robot, a name for female-designed robots, was unveiled in 2015 and can speak Japanese, Chinese, and of course, English. It uses pre-written speech commands and interacts in a lifelike manner. While most of its speech is planned, Junko is equipped with natural language processing and speech synthesis technology to ensure that it can respond to random queries. This technology is critical as Junko currently works as a tour guide at a local tourist center in AQUA City, ODAIBA, Japan. The lifelike interactions and the face of a 26-year-old make it almost impossible not to admire. Aside from verbal communication, Junko Chihira also uses nonverbal communication, like sign language. Another one of the Osaka University inventions is a 23-year-old news anchor. The humanoid is considered the most beautiful woman in the world, and we will tell you everything about it shortly, so keep watching. 6. Nadine. In 2013, KOKORO created Nadine in Japan. The company made a friendly robot based on the features of Professor Nadia Thalmann. Professor Thalmann is a computer graphics scientist and roboticist, and is the founder and head of Miro Lab at the University of Geneva. Nadine has exaggerated human-like features like skin and hair. According to the media, Nadine is a successor to one of HANSON Robotics' robot models, EVA. Nadine's protocol is a platform developed by the Institute for Media Innovation at NANYANG University in Singapore. The platform enables the robot to respond to different scenarios in a variety of languages. In addition, it remembers people's faces so that it can pick up a previous conversation from where it left off. It can also change its personality to suit the conversation. The robot can display various facial expressions and can move its upper body. It can also send emails, attend Zoom meetings, and even work as a receptionist. 5. Erica. Hiroshi Ishiguro's ideas came to life as director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University, Japan, where he created Erica the Robot, the industrial robot working on the Irado Intelligent Conversational Android made. The robot is 65 inches tall and is considered the most beautiful robot in the world. The robot is not very mobile but can interact well. While it listens to humans, it can blink its eyes and nod its head. It uses its 15 infrared sensors in the eyes to keep track of movements. As you might expect, the robot can also talk, and its voice has been dubbed to sound like a 23-year-old, and it was reported to start anchoring news in Japan somewhere in 2018. 4. ASIMOV. The ASIMOV robot has been in existence for 20 years now. The automaker Honda developed the working robot in Japan between 1986 and 1993. By October 2000, the first masterpiece of the advanced step and innovative mobility robot, a name shortened to ASIMOV, was unveiled. The robot was 51 inches tall and weighed 119 pounds, moving objects, gestures, and posturing in its surroundings. It was a significant leap for an automotive company to invest in robotics at the time. 20 years later, Tesla is still developing its first humanoid robot prototype, which Elon Musk claims will be ready for factory and home use in a decade. This all-purpose Tesla humanoid robot will work in factories and as a butler. You have already guessed. ASIMOV was chosen as the ideal acronym in honor of Isaac Asimov. Asimov, a Russian-born American professor of biochemistry at the University of Boston, worked on over 500 books, about 40 being science fiction, and is considered one of the 3 fathers of sci-fi. Currently, ASIMOV is displayed at the Murikan Museum in Tokyo, Japan. 3. Jia Jia. Jia Jia is debatably the spitting image of the most beautiful woman in China. This robot is the first humanoid robot in China, which makes the 2016 developed humanoid attract scores of daily visitors at the university. Jia Jia was developed at the University of Science and Technology, and they call it the robot goddess of China. According to Shen Jiaping, leader of the team that created the robot, it can perform minimal assistant duties in industries like healthcare, hospitality, and the household. Its eye movement and limb synchronization are elements that make it remarkably human-like. Besides that, it can recognize gestures, emotions, and facial expressions. Jia Jia, the robot, was modeled after 5 beautiful women at a Chinese university. However, Sophia the Robot was made with the exact features of Audrey Hepburn in mind. We will tell you all about this lifelike humanoid robot shortly. 2. Fedor. final experimental demonstration object research is a Russian humanoid manufactured by Android Technics. As Russian space exploration became more advanced, Fedor spent 10 days in the International Space Station. When the robot was strapped to a pilot's seat with the Russian flag, it was heard echoing the words, "Let's go, let's go," mimicking the words of the first man in space, Yuri Gagarin. The silvery robot stands 5 foot 9 inches tall and weighs 353 pounds. Fedor is designed as a rescue humanoid, replicating the aesthetics of a person wearing a robotics exoskeleton suit. Moreover, the robot is built to fire guns, do push-ups, handle social media accounts, perform astronaut functions, and drive a car. If you think a robot driving a car and firing handguns is cool, then you will appreciate more of the videos we have for you. So why don't you subscribe and catch everything once it drops? 1. Sophia. Still, Sophia remains the most advanced robot 2022. HANSON Robotics of Hong Kong developed the Lady Robot in honor of actress Audrey Hepburn, who is the founder, David Hanson's wife of blessed memory. Every part of Sophia is designed with the intent to feel human, including her skin tone, thin nose, and slender figure. Since 2016, Sophia has been on several important television shows in the UN. Sophia even has citizenship in Saudi Arabia. Sophia uses AI-enhanced protocols to follow faces, sustain eye contact, walk, talk, and understand human emotion. Sophia can draw, interact with humans, and quite recently duetted with late-night talk show host Jimmy Fallon. The robot has over 60 facial features. Hanson's creations help in education, healthcare, and activism. Sophia and her 9 siblings from HANSON Robotics Company. This is not all we have on Sophia the Robot. The humanoid robot has some hidden specializations and features that we have kept for our video and insights into the world's first AI humanoid robot, Robot Sophia.